Hello, today I'm at the Hilton in Anaheim, California. So this is our private balcony. We took this room in case I need to leave the door open. Meanwhile, that's not very secure. I asked, would it be secure if I have to sleep with the door open? She said, yeah. Anyway, this is our view. We're only on the 5th floor. But the people who made our reservation for the business did not mark if we, or the people who made the reservation for the business said that they were going to mark about fragrance free, and specifically not to contact the hotel ourselves, but they did not have that listed on our reservation. But as a standard cleaning, the room has not much in the way of smell. That equal packet is pretty gross. There's really not. It should be perfectly fine. Otherwise, they were willing to have a room cleaned for us that had not already been cleaned. That is the most dated. That is so old. And that's interesting too. A little pedestal for the lockbox. The hallways don't have a particular smell either. Hi. Sorry. I'm a bit of a mess. And as always, like, I film these the moment I walk in the room. Nice little hair in the sink. So nothing is touched. Sometimes I turn on the lights. These have, I don't know, it's like that normal, it's a type of smell that you would expect. But man, this is another hotel that really needs a renovation. And in the toilet, sort of thing tells a story. I'm sorry if you do not enjoy looking inside of a toilet. In real life, this doesn't look as bad as it's looking on my phone. But now, that joint right there, that looks worse in real life than it looks on my phone. Yeah. At least it looks like the doors are basically clean. That's usually a good way to tell about their general cleanliness, is if the doors are really gross. And some things are reflecting on here, but it doesn't look like actual dirt. Anyway, so we have this big mirror here. Hello again. I'm not good at this. Anyway, it's pretty standard. What would this be, like a regular 3-star hotel? I don't know what they have it listed as, but I couldn't imagine it could be more than 3 stars. It's not bad, not great, not complaining. Anyway, the lady at the desk was super duper nice. And hopefully it's a good stay. I hope that you found this helpful. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.